Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we're looking for a max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: solve a plus b into x minus of a minus b into y is equal to 4ab, and x by a plus b plus y by a minus b is equal to 2. So some logic is there in this problem. As we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here, solving this problem, we are having some logic in this problem. So here, if you take first equation, a plus b into x minus of a minus b into y is equal to 4ab. So here, if you open the bracket, ax plus bx minus ay plus by is equal to 4ab. Now here you can take a plus b into x plus minus a plus b into y is equal to 4ab. So here if you could take let it be 1 if you take the second equation, x by a plus b plus y by a minus b is equal to 2. So how to get the equation here? multiply by a plus b minus a plus b. Multiply with a plus b and minus of a plus b. So whatever the values you are getting here, with that values you are multiplying the second equation. So what will get here? A plus b of minus a plus b into x by a plus b plus y by a minus b into a plus b minus a plus b is equal to 2 into a plus b minus a plus b. So here you are multiplying like this. So here a plus b get cancelled. So here minus a plus b into x. Here you can cancel these two. So here you will get minus of a plus b into y is equal to 2 into a plus b minus a plus b. So if you open the bracket here, minus ax plus bx minus ay minus by is equal to, so here you can multiply this 2a plus 2b into minus a plus b. So here you can write it as minus a plus b into x plus of minus a minus b into y is equal to minus 2a square plus 2ab minus 2ab plus 2b square. 2ab get cancelled. So here we are getting minus a plus b into x plus of minus a minus b into y is equal to minus 2a square plus 2b square. This is the second equation we are getting. We are changing the second equation like this. Now, from the first equation, if you find the value of x, so from the first equation, so a plus b into x minus of a plus b into y is equal to 4ab. This is the first equation you got. Now, a plus b into x is equal to 4ab of 4ab plus of a minus b into y. So x is equal to 1 by a plus b into a minus b into y plus 4ab. So this can be written as x is equal to a minus b by a plus b into y plus 4ab by a plus b. So let it be 3. So substitute this value in 2. Substitute this value into here x is there. If you substitute here in the place of x, second equation, so what will get here? A minus b into, here I am writing x value, a minus b into minus a plus b. A minus b, a plus b into y plus 4ab of by a plus b plus minus a minus b into y is equal to 2b square minus 2a square. Negative I am writing first, positive first, negative second I am writing. Now if you multiply this, so here you will get b minus a. If you take common, minus common, a minus b whole square by a plus b into y plus 4ab of b minus a into a plus b plus minus a minus b into y is equal to 2b square minus 2a square. Now here if you add these two values, so here you will get minus 2 into a square plus b square by a plus b into y plus 4ab of b minus a by a plus b is equal to 2b square minus 2a square. Now send this term to that side. Minus 2 into a square plus b square by a plus b into y is equal to 2b square minus 2a square minus 4ab into b minus a by a plus b. So it is somewhat logical. So this can be written as 2 into b plus a into b minus a minus 4ab of b minus a by a plus b. So here you can take 2 into b minus a common. So here you'll get b plus a whole square minus 2ab by a plus b. This one you'll get so here minus 2 of a square plus b square by a plus b into y is equal to 2 into b minus a. This one you'll get a square plus b square. If you solve this, you'll get a square plus b square by a plus b. So here a square b square a plus b, a square b square a plus b, 2 get cancel. So here y value you are getting so y value minus y is equal to b minus a. So y is equal to a minus b you are getting. So replace y in 1 now. Replace y in 1. So here y in 3. Replace y in 3. X is equal to a minus b by a plus b into y. A minus b plus 4ab of a plus b. This is the y value, x value. So here what will get, x is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab by a plus b. So if you write this formula, you will get a plus b whole square by a plus b. So here square and this one cancel, x is equal to a plus b. Therefore x comma y we are getting a plus b comma a minus b. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath. I hope you understood the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath.